Sometimes we want to store characters of a string in a character array. For that we need toCharArray method of java.lang.string class. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 18 of Java and Web, String API in Java. This is the signature of toCharArray method. It converts the caller string to new character array. Here in this case we have the Java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new string with content hello. And reference of that newly created string will be stored into the reference variable s1 of type string. Then after we are calling the method toCharArray by using the reference variable s1. The method toCharArray will return reference of a character array object and that reference will be stored into the reference variable ch of type character array. The character array object whose reference is returned by this toCharArray method will contain these 5 characters H, E, L, L and O. Then after we are iterating through these 5 characters of this character array and we are printing all the characters one by one H, E, L, L and O. That's how we can extract the characters of the string in a character array by using toCharArray method. Let me try this code practically. Open first.java and this is the same code as we have seen. Try to compile this code. Java C first.java. It compiles fine. Now run it. It runs fine and printing different characters of the character array which was actually stored in the string. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe my channel on YouTube. Like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.